Malvani Batata Vada. Ingredients: turmeric 1 teaspoon, red chilli powder 2 teaspoons, garam masala 2 tablespoons, salt as required. Ginger garlic green chilli paste 2 tablespoons, chopped coriander half cup, chopped onions 2 large, besan or gram flour 1 cup, roughly mashed boiled potatoes 4 large. Heat oil in a kadai. Add 2 chopped onions and stir till they turn brown. Add salt. Now add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic green chilli paste. Stir till the raw smell of the ginger garlic goes away. Add 2 tablespoons garam masala. Now add the boiled and mashed potatoes. And half cup chopped coriander and mix well. Remove the stuffing in a bowl and set it aside to cool completely. For the outer covering, take 1 cup gram flour in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric, 2 teaspoons red chilli powder, salt, now add water in parts to form a smooth batter. The batter is ready. Make medium-sized balls of the potato mixture and set aside. Heat oil for deep frying. Add 2 teaspoons of hot oil to the batter. Mix well. Dip the potato balls in the batter. Gently coat the potato balls with the batter and drop them in the hot oil. Cook on medium flame, flipping on all sides gently. Fry till they turn golden brown evenly. Remove on an absorbent kitchen paper towel. Fry the remaining vadas in the same manner.